What's up everyone? Underneath this cover is my 2016 ND Miata fitted with my top 5 cheap cosmetic upgrades that you could do to your car. You guys ready to see it? You guys ready to see it? You ready? Okay, you know what? This obviously isn't working. I'm just going to take you through each of the products that I used and how I applied them to get the look I wanted. And then you'll see the finished product. Let's get to it! I started by framing the emblems with tape, then laying a trash bag over the area. Once it was taped down, I cut out what I needed to be able to spray the emblem. I ended up doing 5 coats of the black Plasti Dip, then 3 coats of the clear coat, waiting 30 minutes between each coat. I did get some overspray on the hood and other parts of the car, but the Plasti Dip came right off easily with a rag. I used a toothpick to start the peeling, and it came off pretty easily. First, jack up the car. I took all the wheels off at once, which is definitely the way to go. For the ND Miata, the jack points are in between these 2 dimples you'll find on the edges of the pinch weld. Next, clean the wheels with brake cleaner. I used a wire brush and a rag for this step. And because my car is relatively new, it cleaned up really quick. Tape it off and spray. I put on 4 coats on each caliper, and they turned out really nice. So I first tried this tire paint, and I gave up after about an hour of only filling in 4 letters. So I bought these tire stickers, which took me about an hour and a half to put on. I cleaned off the tires with acetone, put the supplied glue on the back of the tire letters, applied them to the tire and held it firmly for about 30 seconds to a minute, and voila! To me, this was the most noticeable change so far. Take off the front plate and... So, the one I got didn't fit, but after seeing it with the front plate removed entirely, I decided to keep it that way. And I put on a black plate frame on the rear. This was probably the most time-consuming and challenging mod, so make sure to block out your whole day for this one. Alright guys, let's try this again. Well, here it is. And if you guys have any other ideas for cheap cosmetic upgrades, please let me know in the comments below. And I'm going to be getting a new spider grill and some lowering springs, so stay tuned and subscribe. Redlining Redhead out.